Who wants to be here in the winter?
Oh, I do.
Holy shit.
Oh,
What a
look.
mess. What a freaking mess. Hear the ocean. That Jeep's been stuck for a while.
See? Amy, they just said it. You're not allowed to be out on the street. Look. They just said it. You're not allowed, so you'll be fine.
Now look.
Oh, I don't want to be fined.
It gets worse and worse.
There's a little calm, but then it gets crazy again.
They said Amy. They said we have a warrant out for Amy's arrest.
We're gonna have
Amy,
to
if
come
we
and drag
catch
her.
you on the street,
Okay, I'm staying home.
we're gonna give you the business.
I don't want to get fined for driving to work.
Oh, no excuses. Oh, look at the radar.
Do you notice how it's in a circular
Look.
motion?
Oh, it's coming
It's
down.
wrapping around.
It's coming back from north to south.